Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're going to act now. Plug or connect the mic/headset, then open Teams and go straight to Settings Devices. Choose the correct microphone and speaker devices so audio routes where you expect. Once done, run the built-in test call. It records and plays back your voice so you can hear latency and level problems. Make sure system volume is reasonable and the headset's inline mute isn't enabled. These quick checks eliminate the most common routing mistakes immediately. Next, you'll fix deeper causes. Update or reinstall your audio drivers so Windows and Teams talk properly. Then open Sound Settings and set your mic as the default communication device to prioritize Teams traffic. Disable exclusive mode and properties so no other app locks the device, and ensure sample rate matches Teams' typical 44.1 or 48 kHz to avoid dropouts. Once done, clear Teams cache or restart the app so it rebinds to the corrected driver and settings. To finish, restart Teams and, if needed, reboot your PC so all changes apply. Rejoin a call and adjust microphone sensitivity in Teams or Windows to fix low or clipping audio and enable noise suppression if background noise remains. Make a final test call and compare results. If audio is still bad, swap to another USB port or try an alternate headset to isolate hardware faults. Troubleshooting tip: if swapping fixes it, reinstall the original device's drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.